Internet of Things technology. Enter email address asterisk. Re-enter email address asterisk. Enter mobile number asterisk. Enter full name asterisk. Enter college, organization, university asterisk. Question: what is the servo library command to move the shaft of servo motor back and forth across 180 degree? Answer: right. Question: Internet of Things IoT can be integrated with which of the separated domains? Answer: all of these. Question: nested loop in Arduino is loop inside a loop. Question: what type of Arduino pin is used to give command to servo motor? Answer: digital pin. Question: Arduino boards support output supply voltage of? Answer: 3.3 volts, 5 volts. Question: which of the following is major concern in IPv4 addressing? Answer: all of above. Question: in what type of pin, data pin of DHT sensor should be connected? Answer: digital pin. Question: term Piconet and Scatanet are associated with? Answer: Bluetooth. Question: relay is a kind of? Answer: actuator. Question: which of these statements regarding sensors is true? Answer: all of above. Question: in the current market scenario, IoT captures the maximum share in which one of these? Answer: industry. Question: what does the ISFT return for an existing interactive file stream in Python? Answer: bool true. Question: what are the modes used for addressing the pins in Raspberry Pi? Answer: boards and DCM. Question: a DC motor is a type of? Answer: electrical actuator. Question: which one is correct for the nested controlling statements in Python? Answer: LF. Question: Internet of Things IoT refers to? Answer: all of above. Question: based on data types, sensor can be classified in which of the categories? Answer: analog and digital. Question: the paging operation of a Bluetooth is used for? Answer: all of these. Question: which of these not related to IoT scalability? Answer: range of each sensor node. Question: an actuator is a component of a machine or system, which? Answer: moves or controls the mechanism or the system. Question: which is the maximum peripheral current draw allowed in Raspberry Pi? Answer: 1200 milliamperes. Question: pneumatic actuators converts? Answer: pressure into force. Question: M2M is a term introduced by? Answer: none of above. Question: Arduino setup requires? Answer: all of above. Question: devices in IoT supports? Answer: all of above.